Hello grade 6 students and welcome to this lesson of module 5, which is Top Stars part 1. To be able to follow me, please get your students' books ready on pages 56 and 57, your workbooks on page 48. And of course, don't forget to bring your pen and a blank sheet of paper to take notes when needed. As usual, you need to know why you're watching this video. In other words, what are the learning objectives of this lesson? Number 1, learn 8 new words. And number 2, locate details to answer 6 questions through reading. Ready? Let's get started. Let's start with this yellow chicken and let me ask you a question. Is it a real chicken? Of course not. It's a person wearing clothes in order to look like a chicken. So, what do we call this kind of clothes? Thank you. We call it a costume. So, a costume is a set of clothes worn in order to look like someone or something else, especially for a party or as a part of entertainment. Let's have an example. I had to wear a chicken costume. Repeat after me. Costume. Costume. Look at this. What's that? Thank you. It's a piece of paper. But what kind of paper is this? Why is this sheet of paper written? This sheet of paper is written to give us information or advertises something. So what do we call a piece of paper that gives us information or advertises something? We call it a leaflet. Let's have an example. A leaflet about the new bus services came through the door today. Repeat after me. Leaflet. Leaflet. Let's move on to this picture of the road. And let me ask you, what can you see here? Well done. Someone said vehicles. But I think some people will ask, what are vehicles? So vehicles are cars, buses, motorbikes, etc. So back again to the picture. On this picture we see vehicles on the road and we call this traffic. For example, there was a lot of traffic on the road this morning. Another example, I was late for school because I got stuck in traffic. So traffic means the number of vehicles moving along roads. Repeat after me, please. Traffic. Traffic. Thank you. Oh, lovely. Look at these kids. They are very happy. Do you know why they are that happy? Because they have seen something funny. So, when you see something funny, you laugh. To laugh is to smile while making sounds with your voice that show you are happy or you think something is funny. For example, they laughed at his jokes. Repeat after me. Laugh. Laugh. Look at this cute girl. What is she trying to do? She's trying to move the leaves. How? By forcing air out of her mouth. So what do we call this action? We call it to blow. For example, she's going to blow the leaves. Repeat after me. Blow, blow. Oh, this man who is wearing the hat on the street. He's doing something. What is it? He is giving leaflets or giving something to a person in a place. So what do we call that? To hand out. So the meaning of handout is to give something to each person in a group or a place. An example, he stood on the street corner to hand out leaflets. Repeat after me. Handout, handout. Let's look at this woman. What does she have to do? Thank you. She has to pick up the rubbish. So, to pick up is to hold and lift someone or something up from a surface. Repeat after me. Pick up, pick up. Look at these people. What do? They prepare food for the party. They what? Prepare. So, what is the meaning of prepare? Prepare is to make or to get something or someone ready for something that will happen in the future. Repeat after me. Prepare, prepare. Practice time. Label the pictures using the words given. The words are costume, laugh, handout, traffic, blow, and the last one is prepare. Let's do number 1 together. This picture of the chicken. What is the best word that can label this picture? Thank you. It's costume. Now, it's time to pause the video to label the remaining pictures. Back again. Number 2 is traffic. Thank you. Number 3, laugh. Number 4, blow. Number 5, handout. And the last one is prepare. Assessment time. Workbook, page 48, exercise 1. Read and circle the correct words. Let's do number 1 as an example. Jake was late for work because of the cars or because of the traffic? Good. The correct answer is traffic. Now, pause the video till you finish the remaining items. Back again to check. Number 2. The film wasn't funny. We didn't even laugh. Thank you. Number 3. Pick up your books, Mary. Your cousins are coming. Number 4. Would you like a leaflet for the school fair? Yes, please. Thank you. What did you prepare for the school cooking competition? Tom had to wear a traditional costume at the school food festival. Number 7. James hands out leaflets at the weekend. The last one. I think there is something in my eye. Can you blow in it, please? Thank you and well done. Now it's time to go to the student's book, pages 56 and 57, because we're going to work on this text to answer this kind of questions. Let's start with this tip. Before you read, try to predict what the text is about with the help of the title and the pictures. So, let's look at the first picture. Khalid and Sami are at their friend Saud's house. So, these are the three friends. But someone looks tired. Let's move on to the second picture. Oh, what can we see here? The tired person is narrating or imagining someone with a costume of a chicken. Picture number 3, the leaflets or sheets of paper are spread on the street, and that person in the chicken costume is collecting them. The last one, they saw the picture of that person in the chicken costume on the internet. Now it's time to go to the exercise. Exercise 3. Exercise 3. Read and answer the questions. Let's do number 1 together. Why is Saud tired? So, we search for this word in the text. Let's see. Sami is saying, "You look tired, Saud." Saud said, "I am. I was at the opening of my uncle's restaurant today, and I had to help out." So the answer is because he had to help out at the opening of his uncle's restaurant. Now it's time to pause the video to do the remaining items on your own. Back again to check. Number 2. Did Saud have to prepare food at his uncle's restaurant? So we go to the text to see. Did you have to prepare food? No, I didn't. So the answer is no, he didn't. Now it's time to question number 3. What did Saud have to do? Go to the text. Saud said, "I had to wear a chicken costume and hand out leaflets." So the answer is he had to wear a chicken costume and hand out leaflets. Number 4, what happened to Saud? If we go to the text, we find Saud saying, "Suddenly, the wind blew the leaflets all over the street. I had to stop the traffic and pick them all up." So the answer is the wind blew the leaflets all over the street and he had to stop the traffic and pick them all up. Number 5. What did people who were there do? Some people helped me, but most of them just laughed. So the answer is some helped him, but most of them laughed. And now it's time to check the answer for the last question. Why is Sami laughing? Sami, ha 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 ha. Saud is asking, "What are you laughing at?" Sami, "Check out your uncle's website." Oh, did he have to put it on there? So the answer is because he saw a photo of Saud in the chicken costume. At the end of our lesson today, I hope you have enjoyed learning with us. Thank you and see you next time.